Good morning, good morning. Welcome to ilearnhow. Today we have a brand new lesson about where the price of Bitcoin is heading, and I've been sharing with you guys about the breakout and the breakup and the fake out and the crashes and the bear traps that have been happening. So right now we're actually standing neutral and looking at the price of Bitcoin to wait and see where it will be going until we see a breakout, then we continue with it. We are already in the trade. Some of us who took the trade from the $37,000 going down right now, we're at 36,400. So there might be a breakdown, a high probability 60% chance that we are breaking down to probably even 33,000 and even further to 29,000. So we stand to look at the price and see where it will take us. For now, the price of Bitcoin is still consolidating, and we're gonna look into the chart so we can see our price target and risk, how we can take the risk, and how to protect ourselves from losing our money. So without wasting time, let's go into the charts. Hello guys, we are back into the charts. We're looking at the 2-hourly chart for the Bitcoin price. And looking at this, the market is actually now been consolidating. Let's zoom into the chart. So we see that we are now stuck in a very small pattern. It could be still building up. It doesn't actually now reveal itself what it is, but it's very likely that after a move like what happened yesterday, we see a retracement back here, which will trigger people to think that we're going backwards, but probably only to calm down again. So we're gonna stay on the sidelines. Remember, we still have some trades where some people have sold, and including myself, from 37,000 coming to the bottom here. So right now we're still a little bit still in some profits, even though it's not a lot, but then still profit. So looking at this level here and another one here, this is the range where Bitcoin is playing around right now, and we're hoping to see either a break to the upside or to the downside. So for now, as this morning, I suggest that we all stay put and just hold our trade, and should Bitcoin, I repeat, go back to the above the 37,500, we should be letting go of our trade and stay on the sideline to see what's really going on, because we can never really predict for sure what's going on. There's many big fishes in the market, but if we're using a very good risk strategy, we can always win. So stay with me, learn. This is a process, and eventually you will get it, and it will become second nature to you, and you'll be able to trade the market freely and make some passive income every day or every week or every month, depending on your risk appetite and how you want to trade. So for now, there isn't much that is happening, but I can see that there is a high chance that Bitcoin is going to break to the downside, and like that, more than it will break to the upside. So let's remove this and then go to a smaller time frame, like the 15 minutes, where you can actually see the build up, what Bitcoin has been doing. So you get to see clearly what is really going on. You see there is a brick wall that is forming here, right there. There is a zone here that Bitcoin is failing to actually pass through, but also that we're seeing some sort of a move to this upside. So immediately when we see a break to the downside, that's where the fail is. And actually the break is going to happen in any moment, because I can see that the Bitcoin has been the price has been toiling smaller and smaller, compressing, and patterns like this, they break back to the downside, more than 60% chance of that. But do not override that there is a chance that it can break. So there is also a 40% chance that it will break to the upside. But if that happens, that we know that we have locked and loaded our stop loss above this level at 37,500. So right now, we just watch closely. Immediately when there's a change, I will be creating a video where I will advise you on what is the next move and how do we move on from here. For now, let's stay on the sidelines until the next update. Bye bye.